Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about Solana price prediction and Solana news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Solana in 2022. Solana is a highly functional open source project that relies on the free nature of blockchain technology to create decentralized finance (DeFi) solutions. The idea and initial work on the project began in 2017. Solana was officially launched in March 2020 by the Solana Foundation, headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland. Thanks to its innovative hybrid consensus model, Solana is of interest to both small traders and institutional investors. The focus of the Solana Foundation is to make decentralized finance available on a larger scale. Anatoly Yakovenko is the face of the Solana project. His professional career began at Qualcomm, where he quickly rose through the ranks to become senior engineering manager in 2015. Later, his professional path changed, and Yakovenko moved to the position of a programmer at Dropbox. In 2017, Yakovenko began work on a project that would later come to life as Solana. He teamed up with his Qualcomm colleague Greg Fitzgerald, and they founded a project called Solana Labs. With the involvement of several more former Qualcomm colleagues in the process, the Solana protocol and the SOL token went public in 2020. 4 hours. At the time of writing, Bitcoin is trading at $42K, nearly 8% higher, while Ethereum, XRP, Terra are trading nearly 6%, 4%, and 20% higher, respectively. Also, privacy coins Monero, XMR, Zcash, ZEC, and Secret, SCRT, are up 19%, 18%, and 15%, featuring in the top 5 coins in terms of gains, respectively. Traders are still awaiting the final executive order, but the quick treasury statement, which appeared supportive of cryptocurrencies, was enough to boost sentiment in the crypto market. The leaked treasury statement has been welcomed by the crypto market as it seems to focus on the development of the industry, rather than on imposing unrealistic regulations, said Yaya Hasegawa, market analyst at Japanese cryptocurrency exchange Bitbank. US. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen applauds the crypto executive order, calling it historic, and the one that strikes the balance between responsible innovation and addressing consumer protection needs. As per details, Yellen says, President Biden's historic executive order calls for a coordinated and comprehensive approach to digital asset policy. This approach will support responsible innovation that could result in substantial benefits for the nation, consumers, and businesses. While the crypto market shoots higher, on the other side, the Asian equity market opened mixed considering the ongoing Russian-Ukraine crisis, with benchmark indices and futures suggesting a positive outlook amid uncertainty. Indian and European markets rose after reports of Russian humanitarian corridors opening surfaced by media outlets. Sentiment for both assets was in the negative territory at press time. This suggests that investors are well past the excitement of the buy the dip stage. Now ready with their newly acquired assets, most seem ready for a bull run. Looking at the price action of both assets, SOL was trading at $80.94, having risen by 0.67% in the last 24 hours, while falling by 3.75% over the last 7 days. Meanwhile, Luna was changing hands at $93.04, after appreciating by 5.81% in a day, and rallying by 12.82% in 7 days. While investors might take this as a sign to gather some alts for their portfolio, both coins come with their own baggage. For instance, Solana's total value locked TVL share has been on a certain downtrend since the fall of 2021. Meanwhile, Terra's TVL is on the rise, and with a 12.95% share, it is just behind Ethereum itself. And yet, analysts are concerned that Luna could be due for a correction soon. Furthermore, DeFi players are questioning the yield sustainability of Terra's anchor lending protocol. $66 in second news today is crypto market rebounds as Russia opens humanitarian corridors. The crypto market has finally rallied on Wednesday, after a week of consolidation, with major cryptocurrencies including BTC, ETH, ADA, Luna, SOL, and others rising more than 5%. Equity markets have also recorded splendid gains as Russia opens humanitarian corridors. However, some Asian markets failed to take part in the rally. Moreover, Bitcoin price soared above $42K after a press release leaked on the Treasury Department's website containing President Biden's historic executive order calls for a coordinated and comprehensive approach to digital asset policy. This approach will support responsible innovation that could result in substantial benefits for the nation, consumers, and businesses. Heavy gains in the crypto and equity market. The crypto market cap rises 5.94% in the last 20 days. Price just 1 month prior was at $56.9, according to the CoinMarketCap data. The second news, Bitcoin held by crypto miners reaches 10-year low. What does it mean? As the cryptocurrency world evolves and develops, it seems that the role of miners is becoming progressively diminished in the process. An argument in favor of this is the fact that the amount of Bitcoin, BTC, held by crypto miners, has recently hit its 10-year low. Indeed, miners' Bitcoin holdings have dropped to their lowest levels since 2010, standing at a total of 1.95 million BTC owned by the entire miner community, as tweeted by the crypto market research platform Into the Block on March 11th. Crypto is evolving and miners are having a smaller role in it. The amount of $BTC held by miners reached a 10-year low. Bitcoin hash rate is near record levels. These pressure on miners' margins, resulting in miners selling part of their holdings to cover operational expenses. The movements of the amounts of BTC held by miners seem to be following a very different pattern from what it looked like back in November. $255.55 level. Solana price prediction 2025. In 2025, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of Solana will skyrocket, with a maximum trading price of $446.11 in 2025. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $381.94 with a maximum price of $446.11 for 2025. Sol rate prediction 2026. The value of Solana will rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2026 is bullish. Sol is expected to top out at $641.51 by the end of 2026, according to analysts. On the other hand, it's very optimistic that Solana's future will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of Sol will be between $508.24 and $523.51 expected in 2026 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of Sol ranges from $508.24 to $641.51 for 2026. Solana price prediction 2027. Solana's current price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore Sol could reach $886.45 by 2027, with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $731.64 for 2027, it could beat the last price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2027. Solana price prediction 2028. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Solana could cross $1,220.19 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2028. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2028 will be around $1,052.77. Sol price prediction 2029. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this forecasting platform, Solana will remain at the current level for a very long time. By 2029, Sol is expected to peak at $1,774.86. The minimum bet could rise to $1,443.62 if the market turns bullish. Solana price prediction 2030. It appears that by 2030, Solana, Sol, prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2030, we can expect the average rate to be $2,137.86. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Solana's maximum price could be up to $2,572.46 in 2030. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market.